Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. The rail pressure sensor is located here. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. If you have any questions, please contact us.